Mabuhay Pilipinas, mabuhay world. Welcome to another episode of Feelings Explained. So, feelers, follow us on all our social media channels. That's at Feelings XPLAINED on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also, meron po kaming 5 stars dyan sa Spotify. Hindi nyo po tititigan yan. I-hit nyo po yung 5 stars.
Yes, and of course, our bell button, hindi rin yan umaalis sa Spotify. You can click that so you will be notified for our next episodes released every Friday. And our bank account is in the description of each and every episode. So you can just drop that money, girl. Just like Lisa Blackpink chatting. And also, you can send in your own feelings, your own cuentos, or if you need an advice from us, your resident feelers, please do email us at feelingsexplained@gmail.com.
Okay, Gian. So, as a feelingera, what is your small win or shit of the week?
Oh my God, I have a fucking shit of the week. Kasi, look at this. Charing, hindi na siya halata because I concealed it and everything. Pero, meron kasi akong annual and apparently this year, quarterly, ang sama kong don't worry, I don't have herpes as in like herpes, but like, it's oral herpes. I don't know what to say it, but hindi siya dun sa herpes na alam ng mga tao.
Yeah.
It's cold sores. Yun na lang. Let's just say I have cold sores. And I looked it up. After several years of having this, each and every year, ngayon ko lang siya nilook up ulit. At sinabi ko, what is causing this emerald? Apparently, nagtitrigger siya or nagre-reactivate siya kapag parang pagod ka, lack of sleep, kumain ka ng chocolate. Like, lahat ng ginawa ko nung araw na yon ang nag-trigger kaya nagkaroon ako ng sakit. Kasi, I went to this taping and wala akong tulog the night before.
So, puyat pa nga.
Puyat na po si ate. Walang tulog. Nagpunta ng taping.
As an insomniac.
30 minutes lang yung tulog.
As an insomniac.
Oo, nag-insomnia kasi si ate, girl. Hindi kinaya ng aking immune system. Like, oh my God, my sores, it's coming out. So, ngayon, kinoconceal ko siya. Tapos, hindi ako naka-attend na isang birthday party. Dahil sabi ko, hindi ako magpapakita ng pangit ako. So, nag-decline ako dun sa party na I said yes to. So, shit of the week ko talaga yon. Pero dun sa next party, dahil nakapag-concealer ako, inilaban
You
ko.
conceal, don't feel.
I concealed talaga. I didn't feel. And thankfully, madidilim yung mga pinta ko. Concert, birthday party na madilim. So, naitago. Pero, ang totoo niyan is that I do not want to get out of my house this past week because of this motherfucker. Yeah. Ikaw, Pat, what is your small win or shit of the week?
So, ang sa akin, very mindful, very demure.
Love that.
So, you were there. I took you to the moon. We went to the moon. So, kami ni Gian, we watched Mula sa Buwan. Courtesy ng aming kumpanya.
Yes, salamat
kasi sponsor po kami. So, we watched Mula sa Buwan. The cast was amazing. The story is still amazing. Music, choreography. The energy was there.
Yeah.
The energy of the actors was there. It's amazing. Ang galing nilang lahat.
Yes.
Gabi Pangilinan is still Gabi Pangilinan. She showed why she's Gabi Pangilinan.
Yeah, she's amazing.
Yeah.
Galing nila.
Grabe. Alam mo
galing sila.
Alam mo, naiinis ako sa kanilang lahat kasi
magagaling sila.
Pinanganak kayo, tapos biglang yan na yung boses nyo.
Oo.
Diba? Ang galing nila.
Sabi ko sa'yo, God-given talent.
God-given talent.
Binild up.
Yes. Lord, nasa yung talent ko.
Ang God-given talent namin ay
gumastos, magdadaldal. Kaya kami yung podcast.
Correct.
Yun.
Oh my God. Ay, totoo, nag-enjoy ako. Actually, I loved it because I added my mom to the guest list.
Yeah.
So, yun. So, ang saya ko. Wait ko naman din talaga yun. Thank you so much Mula sa Buwancast. Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations. Ang note ko lang pala, meron pala ako isang
may note ka. Yung
guard. Oo, yung guard na
sa gilid.
Bigla na lang lumalapit dun sa wings. Kasi makikita mo siya, as in yung guard mismo ng Samsung Theater. or basta taga Samsung Theater, imposibleng taga ano yun eh, taga
barefoot.
Taga barefoot yun eh. Or taga na theater person, staff ng venue. Yung naglalakad, tapos pupunta ng wings, tapos makikita mo yung shadow niya doon. Tapos parang ako, panira ng moment to eh.
Well, kasi maganda rin yung seat namin. Maraming salamat po sa aming sponsors. Kasi fifth row tayo.
Fifth row,
Tama.
orchestra right, yeah.
Amen.
Fifth row.
Maganda yung seat.
Ganda
Yun
yung
nga lang. Kita mo talaga yung gilid.
Kita mo yung chismis. Oo. So, yun po ang aming win and shit of the week.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
Oh God, this episode is a must. Because there are so many moments na, alam mo yung naging mabuti kang tao, nagbait-baitan ka. Actually, totoo naman yung...
Baitan.
Minsan, totoo naman yung bait. Totoo naman, genuine naman. Tapos, doon ka pa napahamak. So, yun yung episode na yun. Kasi madami na kaming chronicles of those stories where, wow, I was good and you did not give that good back to me. Like, how dare you? Ganon.
Totoo.
Yun.
Totoo. Alam
That's
mo,
the episode.
ang isang naalala ko dyan, hindi siya nangyari sa akin. And it's an unfortunate
Oh, God.
circumstance dun sa isa naming staff before. I remember
Oh.
the year was 2002.
Oh, wow. Grade
Right.
Hindi.
Grade 2. Grade 2 ako nun.
Ganun.
Oo. 2002. Cubao. Setting. Farmer's Market. Diba? Day. Ganyan.
Day. Interior, exterior.
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 Lalakad yung staff namin. Inutusan siya ni mama mag-deposit sa bangko. So, ang ginawa niya, naglakad siyang ganyan. Nagtanong siya sa isang lalaki, Kuya, saan po dito yung bangko? Tinuro sa kanya. Pagturo sa kanya, sabay-sabi, hold up to.
Oh!
Girl!
Oh my God.
Girl! Pasabog, di ba? Syempre.
Holy shit.
Syempre. Tinutukan na siya ng, I think, kutsilyo yata yan. Binigay na niya.
Oh my God.
Loko din yung si mother. Kasi parang,
Wait lang,
Benta
alam natin
yan.
totoo yung kwento.
alam natin totoo yung
Okay,
kwento.
Okay, kasi mamaya.
Hindi siya fake news.
Okay,
kasi
hindi siya
kunento
fake.
din niya sa akin yun.
Oh my
Ilang,
God.
oo. Na, to the point na ayaw na niyang mag-deposit sa bangko ever.
Oh my God. Nautusan ka lang. Tangina na trauma ka pa.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
Girl.
Do you mind how much?
I don't remember how much.
Okay, but pretty big, probably.
Yeah. At
That
that time,
sucks.
it's a pretty big figure at that time.
fucking
Yeah.
Ako, alam mo yung mga moments na ganyan, hindi ganyan ka-grave, pero, alam mo yung, ikaw na yung magandang loob na maging maaga, sige, I'll be ahead of my call time, I will be the first there, like, okay lang, ganyan, tapos biglang na-cancel, gano'n.
Ay!
Yung mga na-cancel yung event, na-cancel yung, hindi na pala, hindi na, girl, okay lang kayo.
Alam mo, meron din ako ganyan. Ito, ano to personal na to.
Oo.
Ako yung concerned citizen.
Okay.
Di nagtanong. I will not delve into specifics.
Okay.
So, nagtanong si Akla, Person, ganito ba dapat yung yung mangyayari from point A to point B to point C, lalabas si XYZ.
Oo.
So, this is not theater related.
Okay.
This is not theater related.
Kasi lalabas sa pasok. Okay, go.
Oo. Tapos, so sabi ngayon ni Person, wait, let me check. Okay, wait, let me check. Check ngayon si Person. Pagka-check ngayon ni Person, lumabas ngayon yung pinagtanungan niya. Tapos, bakit? Ala, nagdadakdak na. Tapos parang ako, wait, di ba nagko-confirm ako, bakit ka sa akin nagagalit? Di ba? Kaya nga ako lumapit eh. Kaya nga nagpapa-double check eh. So, I don't see why you are blowing our asses off just for the fact na nagko-confirm ako. Hindi naman siya natuloy. Hindi pa naman...
This is just test. Ano pa lang to? Parang pa-test pa lang.
Pa-test pa lang. Parang
Viewing
bago ko
pa lang.
gawin.
Oo.
Bago ko gawin. Tama ba to?
Tumalak na.
Tumalak na agad. Ang lala na ng talakti. Na parang, ano bang kasalanan ko sa'yo?
Oo. Ito na nga, pinapacheck ka.
Oo.
Hindi naman ito yung gagawin
Hindi
eh.
ka, kinuha na ba kita ng pera? Di ba hindi? Tinakasan ba kita? Di ba hindi? Nagtatanong ako ng maayos, di ba? Kinonfirm ko nga eh. Tapos, sa akin ka mangwawarsyak? Ay,
ito yung nakakainis na parang, inayos ko nga, kaya nga ganito yung pakikitungo, di ba?
Exactly.
Ba't ganito yung balik? Parang, which is, sige na nga, pero parang minsan may mga moments na, parang di naman natin deserve. Parang
Exactly.
wait lang.
Exactly.
Gets.
Yun yung pumasok sa utak ko na parang hindi ko
Dami
naman,
naman ganun.
di ba? Parang hindi ko naman deserve na ganyan yung treatment mo sa akin. Kasi, una pa lang, di ba tinatanong na nga kita?
Oo.
Hindi naman masama, di ba, magtanong? Sabi ni Susan
Oo.
Roses yun, di ba? Di ba? Di ba
Generica.
tama ba ako, feelers?
Insert generica ad, charing.
Di ba? Exactly.
Yeah.
Kasi, parang, ano ang masama sa pagko-confirm?
Yeah.
Kung ayaw mo...
So, how was it resolved? Did it get, parang, nakapreno ba siya?
Ay, hindi. Hindi ba
Hindi
siya
na.
kasi mataas na yung feelings
Nasa
niya.
peak na siya.
Nasa peak na siya. Siguro, yung timing talaga, wala talaga siguro sa hulog.
Oo.
Pero, still, the fact na nagko-confirm yung tao, tapos parang kung makasabi ka na parang antatanga or something, parang, wait lang, preno naman tayo ng konti. Preno tayo ng konti kasi hindi naman tama yan.
Yeah. Sometimes may mga ganyan din sa work na naalala ko ba, this was like years ago. There was a really big, I don't think it's a fuck up, but it was siguro mismanaged expectations between the supplier and us, the client, parang ganon. Na parang, wala siyang resolution kasi, wala close-minded Pero parang, basically, yung ginawa mong gesture is basically, you wanted to make sure that you are protected as a client, and basically, you're protected as a client and the company that you're representing, diba? Pero there are times na because of lack of documents, lack of parang paperwork, yun yung parang naging saving grace ng kumpanya or ng client on our end. Na, okay, protektado kami, kaso hindi ko protektado yung isa. Pero, napasama kasi, protected ako, siya hindi. Tapos parang, ako na yung masama kasi I protected myself. And I'm like, bruh, it's a business.
Yeah.
So, that was sour. As in, that's a very kind of like traumatic experience. Pero I really kind of like grew from it. Like,
Totoo.
I could never be touched anymore. Well, yes. Pero, I was never the same person, I think, after that incident. And buti na lang, hindi siya like a big personality. I was working with like personalities before, pero parang hindi siya yung tipong ganon. Pero alam kong gustong-gusto akong sirain, parang ganon. I don't know kung nasa na siya ngayon, pero I remember that. Na parang ako na yung, well, hindi mabuti for you, pero kasi I did my job. I protected my side. You should have, I mean.
Alam mo, madami kami mga ganyang instances sa work ko ngayon. Na parang, you feel the tiny bit of like, cringe in a sense, na parang ding may kirot sa heart, na parang, well, it's, technically speaking, you were at fault. Alam mo yon? Kasi, sino sa atin yung careless?
Yun na nga.
Ay, diba?
Amen.
I mean, ayaw mong dumating sa ganung...
Ayaw mo talaga yun.
Ayaw mong dumating sa ganung level. But,
worst
comes to worst, diba?
Kailangan mong
diba?
Protektahan ang kinauukulan.
Oo, parang ano lang yan parang, in a fight, sinong unang bumunot ng baril, diba?
Yeah.
Kasi yun yung panalo dun
Mm-mm.
Sino yung unang bumunot? Kung hindi ka prepared, talo ka.
Yeah, totoo. Speaking of talo, ito I just realized, I don't know if related siya dun sa topic, pero alam mo yung feeling, I don't know if you can judge it, but the feeling of being a doormat to some people.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, you kind of like give something, you never asked, but you give, and then the person, people, whatever, would take advantage. I don't think they are taking actually advantage, but may instances na parang, mapapatanong ka na, so, ano? Pag ako may gusto, quiet lang ako. Hindi ko naman ibibigay Pero pag kayo may gusto, ganyan. I'm saying about the men. This is about the men that fucked me before. I just want to give them a shout out. Because God said I should call them out. Charing.
Yes.
But like,
Totoo. Alam mo,
do you think I'm, well, it's obvious that I'm kind of like a doormat.
Yeah.
I mean, ish.
Not
exactly.
To them.
Exactly, to them.
Yeah.
Or like, I don't know, wait lang, ano ba definition ng doormat?
You let people walk all over you. Oo.
Well, kind of mutual. Because like, I needed that and
Yeah, I
You
mean,
needed me.
kasi you use each other. The problem is lang,
Well,
hindi
yes.
ka pa ready mag-let go, nag-let go na sila.
Pwede. Correct. Tama.
Diba?
Ayun pala yun. Yeah. Okay.
Alam mo, yung sa ganyang instance mo, ang una kong naisip ay friends.
Ooh.
Kasi,
Ooh.
yung pagiging doormat,
Amen.
like, kasi pag friends, di ba, marami kang pinapalagpas.
Oo.
Marami, as in, madami. Kasi
Lahat na
kaibigan
lang.
mo
Pwede
eh.
na.
Oo.
Tama.
Yung mga comment here, comment there, or like, a simple, alam mo yung parang a rude gesture
Yep.
or something. O kaya minsan a rude joke. Kaya mo siyang palagpasin.
Correct.
But there comes a time na parang, ano ba talaga tong friendship na to? Kasi parang, why?
Ano,
I mean,
comedy club?
I
Diba?
get the snark. Like, kunyari sa dalawa, there's snarkness in our friendship. But there's also mutual respect.
Amen.
Yung iba kasi, nagmamagandang loob ka na. 'Di ba? You are giving that respect and then they will slap you with the snarkness out of fucking nowhere.
Yeah, exactly. Parang, who gave you the right to do that?
Yeah, who gave you permission
Amen.
to do this, to say that? Na, seryoso ako ngayon eh.
Oo.
Alam mo yun?
Parang take me seriously.
May mga ganung tao talaga.
Yeah.
I mean, ako aminado ko yung mga ganun akong friends. May mga ibang tao lang na kaya ko talagang, as in bilang ko sa kamay, ang kaya kong i-tolerate na ganun.
Okay.
Other than that, ay, bahala
Alam mo,
ka dyan. Hindi ko...
Sa totoo yan.
Tsaka kasi ako, gagawin ko siya pero sa utak ko lang.
Oo.
Alam mo yun? Pero
Oo.
hindi ko i-voice out.
Yeah.
Pero ibang level ng balls yung merong mga tao na kayang i-voice out yun. Na parang, tangay na mo.
Oo.
Lakas din ang loob mo, no?
Oo. Ang kapal ng mukha. Yeah. Oh my God. I don't know where... hindi ko alam kung ano ba, lack of self-awareness ba yan? Or what? Parang puta. Oh my gosh. Okay. Who else fucking wronged me?
Eto, sige.
Who wronged me?
Eto, ang question ko sa'yo ngayon, with all these scenarios in mind.
Yes.
Since it's a natural occurrence to
Yes.
everybody, it's a universal experience.
Amen.
When these experiences happen,
Mm-hmm.
in the moment, ikaw ba yung type na tao na parang you have to like step back and say like, wait, I will assess the situation and then react?
Mm-hmm.
Or are you the type na, butang ina mo. Magre-react ka agad.
I don't react. I don't think I react in the moment. Agad-agad. Na parang, hindi naman sa impulsive, pero yung parang immediately reacting to the situation. Kasi sometimes hindi ko pa nga marirealize na, tinarantado na pala ako. Minsan ganun eh. Medyo, hindi sa slow, pero it takes a minute for me to
Digest.
na, oh shit, that was not right. Like, fuck. Oh, I remember that. Because, nung nanakawan ako ng cellphone, inang yun, nakawan ako ng cellphone, masasabi kong nagmabuting loob ako or parang ang intention ko was gusto ko nang umuwi. Kaya tara, umuwi tayo, mag-taxi tayo. Putang ina, pagkasakay ng taxi, doon kami na, hindi siya hold up, pero doon kami na nakawan. So parang, fuck, sana pala, hindi na lang ako nagmagandang loob na gusto kong umuwi. Alam mo yun, parang, sana sinagad-sagid ko na palang mamamatay na kami sa, alam mo yun? Yung, ano ba to? Yung mga ganon.
Yeah.
So, noong time na yon, syempre, parang, okay, fuck. I really felt like I was a victim, but I did not get angry at the situation agad. Like, I did, parang, because I feel so defeated na parang, butang ina, binabayaran ko pa yung cellphone. Alam mo yun? So, nandun pa ako sa fuck, ganyan, ngarag ka pa. Pero, eventually, doon ko na-realize na parang, these things, blah, blah, blah. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Pero hindi ako gaanong nagre-react agad. Kasi I would, normally, what I would do would process with a friend and say, hey, this happened to me and like, what the fuck? Tapos parang, when you speak of your experience kasi, dun mo marirealize, so ka makakuha ng notes na, ay, teka lang, parang mali ata yung nangyari.
Yeah.
Parang hindi ata tamang ganun yun.
Yeah.
Tapos doon ko na ipaprocess, mga 3 to 5 business days, and then I will move on.
Yeah.
Normally, I wouldn't really, like, wala naman akong gagawing anything, unless it's, like, very bothersome or what.
Yeah.
Pero, hindi ako para tumalak. Parang, I hardly do that anymore. Yeah.
Ako, I would say, sometimes reactive ako. Oo, kasi, tapos minsan ma-realize ko na, wait, parang parang mali yata. Parang,
So,
hindi
nasabi
na-
mo na,
nasabi
tapos
ko na,
ma-realize
tsaka ako
mo,
ma-realize na, ay,
Ah.
tanga, o kaya minsan na, hindi, tama yung reaction ko.
Oo.
But I should have said this.
Oh, yeah. To have a better,
To have a better na ano. Pero
na
minsan,
sinabi.
minsan naman, proud ako sa sarili ko dito na nahuhuli ko yung sarili ko
Yeah.
na nakakapag self-regulate ka.
Yes, self-regulation! Oh my
Okay.
God.
Para
That
sa mga
is,
feelers
very
natin na
good.
hindi alam ang self-regulation. So, ito yung basically nahuhuli mo yung sarili mo bago ka
Yes.
mag-react.
Amen.
Yun yun. That's
Oo.
self-regulation.
Correct.
So, minsan nakakapag self-regulate tayo na
Oo.
yung mga reactions natin, hindi siya very impulsive.
Correct.
Na parang, boom!
Oo.
Alam mo yun? Kasi minsan, hindi yun yung reaction na gusto
Kailangan.
kailangan, at saka gusto mong iparating.
Oo.
I mean, nandun, ang gusto mo, yung bareness nun, but you don't need the loudness of it.
Oo.
I mean, the coreness, yung kailangan mo, but you don't need the loudness. Yun.
Alam mo, speaking of that, being impulsive, I remember myself, kilala mo ako, alam mo to, hindi ko alam kung naaalala mo to, yung nagtatantrums ako in public. Hindi
Yes.
siya, oo. Nung nagtatantrums ako in public, birthday ko. Kasi bitch talaga, as in like, tangina demonyo. Masasabi ko talaga nung araw na yon, sinapian ako ng demonyo. Molito.
Oh, yeah! Yeah.
Okay, so the scenario was, well, I'm not gonna talk about the scenario. But I would say that the event happened in Molito, Alabang. And I was having this day, because I remember, I don't know kung napag-chikahan natin sa podcast, pero tanda-tanda ako talaga kasi birthday ko yun. Isa sa mga birthdays ko. Tapos, bilang birthday,
Melos. Tanda ko na.
as an aspiring princess na kailangan everything goes my way because it's my birthday. Ganun ako. Ganun ako dati. Natatandaan ko na ganun ka big deal ang birthday sa akin na parang kailangan ako ang princess. Hindi ako mali. Ganun. Demonyo. So si Demon, I showed up a demon that day because I don't know, like, I was not a grown woman back then. And basta may gusto kasi ako, tapos hindi ko ma-express. Tapos, alam mo naman ako, di ba, Pat, na when I want something, I fucking pine over the motherfucking thing. Whether that's a motherfucking mic or a cell phone or whatever.
Yeah.
So, that's the vibe. Tapos, naalala ko yung pagiging reactive ko. That was not my best performance. That was the worst.
That was one of the worst. Yeah.
That was and that was my wake-up call din. Kasi ngayon, talagang medyo nagre-reflect din ako. Sabi ko, grabe, I mean, this is not me trying to be cocky or whatever, pero, shit, I've come a long way. Hindi na ako nagtatantrums ng ganun, please. I process the shit. Like, as in, hindi na
You did the
talaga.
work.
I did the inner work, bitch, because I said, that's a very ugly side of me that I no longer need in my life. Like, I don't need to be that bitch na ayaw ng pamilya ko kasama kasi demonyo ako. Ayoko ng ganun. So, natuto talaga ako dun sa experience na yun kasi sabi ko, fuck, hindi ako pwedeng ganito. Hindi pwede, ang tanda ko na para maging bitchesang react na lang, makareact lang. Alam mo yung parang, gusto mo lang iparating nga yung feelings mo. Gusto mo lang maparating na you are disappointed, na parang, medyo na let down ka ng mga tao sa paligid. Pero hindi kailangang grand shit na parang magdidemonyita ka talaga. Girl, I learned it the hard way. It was so fucking bad. But, Jesus, I have been good since. So,
wow.
Yeah.
Santa,
I deserve a party. I deserve a fucking awards night. Best growth goes to
my God.
Myself.
Itong October na to talaga na to.
Hindi na talaga natin. Happy ako to have recovered. You know, I'm a recovering demon.
Alam mo, yung experience mo na yun, sila yung gustong gumawa ng mabuti. Sila pa yung napasama.
Ayan, guys, binaliktad ko lang yung POV para may iba tayong angulo dito sa episode. Pero, tama, nagmabuti lang naman yung mga kasama ko.
Yung pamilya mo.
Mabuting tao sila, nag-celebrate ng birthday ko. Ako, demonyo. Like, my God. But, I promise, hindi na po ako ganun. Masasabi ko naman talaga yun. Hindi na. Like, yeah. Natakot din ako sa sarili. Parang, diyan, ano ba? Parang, girl! Calm your fucking tits, bitch. Ganon.
Gets. Yeah.
That was disgusting.
Like I said earlier, universal experience to.
Amen.
Why do you think why do you think itong goodwill natin, itong
Goodwill
goodwill ng
as-
mga tao
Oh.
to do the right thing and then people will shit all over it. Why are we gluttons for punishment? Kasi inuulit-ulit natin siya eh. Kasi we want to, like kunyari ako, may isang instance kunyari, yung nanay ko biglang lalambingin ko lang bad trip pala siya, o yung ate ko bad trip pala siya. Parang ano ba yung bigla na lang silang maiinis out of nowhere kasi
meron silang sariling
pinagdadaanan. Tapos,
nadamay ka.
Nadamay ako sa crossfire. Yan. Bakit natin ginagawa pa ito?
Kumbaga, nadadawi tayo.
Nadadawi
Hinahayaan
tayo.
nating nadadawi.
Oo.
Well, I think depends on the people who's involved. Na
Yeah.
parang, if you care about these people, I think, regardless of kung nasa right or nasa wrong ka, or kung ano yung POV mo dun sa situation,
Yeah.
because you love these people or that you care about the
Yeah.
relationship, parang, sige na nga, itatawid na, sige na nga, sa'yo ako, diba?
Yeah, totoo.
Which is, I mean, kind of fucked up when people put you in that position, knowing that, diba, your relationship could
Totoo.
be in danger.
Totoo.
But, I don't know, na-amaze talaga ako. Ngayon, habang sa mga pinag-uusapan natin, na-amaze ako sa mga tao na parang, it could be so simple, yet people make it complicated.
Totoo.
Or people add problems to it. Alam mo
Oo.
yun na, paano na tayo makakaahon yung ganun? Ito, may naalala naman akong mga nagmabuti. Pero wala naman na ibalik na kaganda. Di ba, voice over art? Well, I could say now that I'm a professional voice over artist na, I get hired for like different projects, etc. Tapos ako, normally, itong mga taong nag-i-inquire sa akin, tatanong lang nila sa akin, available ka ba? Anong schedule mo? Yung mga ganong basic. Okay, go. Pero, biglang, ako naman, si girl na, I want to make things better, easier, swifter for the clients, for the people involved. Lagi akong magugo ng, hindi naman extra mile, pero I would say part na lang talaga siya ng kagustuhan ko na rin naman. So, ito yung gusto kong kabutihang ibigay. Tapos parang ang ibabalik sa akin is, ay, sorry, wag na pala. Parang ganon. O is that, I would give options. I would give several voice-over options. Like, even without them asking for it, I would ask the questions that actually matter. Kasi yun yung parang napapansin ko sa mga tao na, okay, at the end of the day kasi, ano ba yung tinatry nating ma-achieve? Like, I would always come to any project or any conversation with that in mind. Para lang alam ko na, okay, so, pero wait lang, pag ginawa ba natin to, it answers this thing. Parang na-achieve ba natin to? Parang ganon, di ba? And sometimes people lack the foresight to
ask that, yeah.
To ask the questions, and I'm like, sis, but you're, di ba? Kaya ka nga nandyan. So, naloka lang ako kasi, yung tinatry mo nang padaliin yung buhay niyong lahat. Pero, the other parties or people involved makes it more difficult or like counter-attacks without knowing that they're counter-attacking the effort. Yung ganon, parang,
may friction.
So, napapagod na ako. So, yun lang naman. Pero, that won't stop me from being a good person.
Wow.
I'm all knowing almighty. Pero kasi, di ba, I wanna be the person that I wanna work with. So, I'm not gonna be a fucking bitch. So, ngayon, Pat, may na-realize ako. No, given our, di ba, chikas kanina, or experiences, it seems like ako, personally, ako din naman, it seems like, when we do something good, we're actually wanting to get something in return.
Okay.
Would you know the answer why? Or I don't know what your thoughts are.
Ako kasi, pag ako kasi yung naggagawang ganon, minsan talaga, if we're gonna do it like the basis of terms, dahil nga as a people pleaser, I want to please the person. Diba na parang, okay, good job. Or like, so very good ka dyan. Mga ganyan.
Yes.
Mga ganyan.
Yung affirmations.
Yung affirmations. Yes, the affirmations. Other than that, I feel like, kaya naman natin siya hinihingi kasi minsan, and this is what I genuinely believe, is that you just want someone to say thank you. Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi, aminin naman natin, lahat ng trabaho natin, lahat ng ginagawa natin, everything, we think it's a thankless job. Diba? like, sa kahit anong industry, we always think na it's a thankless job.
Yeah.
Diba? I mean, I feel like kahit mga doctors, hindi naman din may mga mag-thank sa kanila, thank you doc. Pero
Oo naman.
pero alam mo yun, it's not as like thank you. Alam mo yun, yung level na yun. Tsaka ang nakikita lang naman din, if we're gonna talk about doctors, ang nakikita lang naman ng one-sided lang naman ang nakikita ng patient eh. Hindi naman nila nakita yung whole, like the whole 9 yards of it, right? So ako yun yung feeling ko eh, yung thank you.
Tama.
Yun.
Actually. Or yeah, and also being seen, siguro.
Yeah.
Na parang, uy, I did this. I mean, like, not for anything, pero it would be, parang I think a lot of people, parang we're born, hindi naman born, parang natural na sa ating maramdaman or parang i-crave yun na parang, oh, ang sarap makita or ma-recognize.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, doesn't need an award, but yeah, that makes sense.
Totoo.
Gets.
Totoo, diba?
Okay, yeah.
Ang hirap kasi din lang ng ikaw na nga yung nagmabuti,
Mabuti.
ikaw pa yung napasama,
Oo.
nasa gawang ka na,
Ang
'di ba?
dami.
Namura ka pa. Parang
wait lang.
oo, 'di ba? Doon yung papaisip mo na minsan yung ikaw din mismo sasama din yung loob mo na parang wait lang naman, preno naman tayo, guys, kasi parang hindi ko na ata deserve 'yan.
Yeah.
Kaya
That's
kaya alam mo, ang ganda nung sinabi natin kanina, self-regulation. Importante yun sa mga taong
Oh God, we need
yung
that.
yung bigla na lang
Outbursts.
naga-outburst na
Yes.
gano'n. My God.
Madaming silang ganun, no?
Masalo sa akin, oo.
Yeah.
Si mother, minsan ganyan.
Okay. Oh my God, my dad.
Di ba?
So, let's do that in another episode.
In another episode, you will do
That's
that.
the takeaway.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. So, Pat, where do we go from here?
Ako, I feel like self-regulation is important. And also, 2 words lang naman po ang thank you.
Actually.
Diba? Anong mahirap doon? Bago kayong mang-sprack, thank you ha, pero pwede mamaya tayong mag-usap. Anong sama doon? Parang, now's not a good time. Yun lang naman din yun. If it's a circumstance na it started like a bowl of, or a chain of events, and just ride along with it.
Tama.
Wala ka nang magagawa eh. Ikaw yung nag-kickstart nun eh.
Yep.
Diba? Just talk to the people along the way na, oh, this was not my intention. My intention was a good thing. Alam mo yun? Diba?
Yeah.
Ikaw, Gian, where do we go from here?
My gosh. So, definitely we're gonna do a self-regulate episode to dive into that. Because I don't think, again, to Pat's point, like, there's a lot of motherfuckers out there, unfortunately, who doesn't know that, who doesn't
Amen.
even know the definition of this, and kailangan na natin matutunan talaga yun.
Amen.
Matagal ko rin bago naman natutunan yun. So, process po talaga siya, mga kapamilya.
Amen.
But, yeah, ako, I think, sana lang, ako pinagpe-pray or like, wini-wish ko lang na, I hope, despite those naysayers or non-believers or whoever, sana hindi tayo mawalan ng, alam mo yun, parang hindi mawala sa atin yung, sige, gagawin ko pa rin yung good despite not receiving a thank you or despite na napapasama tayo. Kasi, ayun nga, kasi diba, mapapanghinaan ka talaga ng loob pag napapasama ka lagi.
Totoo.
Kahit mabuti na yung ginawa mo.
Totoo.
So, yun na lang. Wish ko na lang, hindi natin itigil yung magagandang things just because bad things happen.
Totoo yan.
Bogs.
Kasi minsan
I
may
don't even know
isip
how,
mo na
but-
parang, tangina.
Tangina nyo,
Hindi,
ah.
di ko, sige, bahala ka.
Oh,
Hindi
diba?
ko nagagawin yan. Ngayon na lang to. Ngayon na
Hindi
lang.
na tayo mag-travel.
Hindi na ako manunod ng Taylor Swift.
Kasi napasama tayo. Ganun.
Ganon.
Diba? Kasi yun eh, wala. Eh, di talo na tayong lahat. Masama na nga ugali natin. Ano pa, hindi pa tayo nakagawa na mabuti. My God, like, we're demons now, actually. So, sana hindi mag-manifest into that because that is a scary place to be in.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that is my where do we go from here.
So, feelers, we hope that you love this episode. So, with that, this has been Pat.
And this has been Gia.
Bye.
Bye.